My name is Christie Arkovich. I am a student loan attorney here in Tampa, Florida. We have a small firm that we handle student loan debt relief as well as bankruptcy discharges through Chapter 7, Chapter 13 for consumers, and loan modifications and things like that regarding foreclosure matters. I wanted to mention today about the IDR audit being not an all or nothing program like public service. With public service, you have to work the full 10 years, the full 120 months for you to get any credit whatsoever. If you happen to work 9 years and a few months of public service and you quit, and you would not get the relief of that program because you didn't complete the full 10 years. The IDR audit program, or waiver, recount, whatever you want to call it, it does not work that way. And so what that means is that you're getting credit for some of the past payments that you might have made or extended forbearances that you might have been on. Let's say that you're not quite to the 20 or 25-year forgiveness. That doesn't mean that the program doesn't apply to you. That means that you'll get credit for all those months. And then if you have some more months remaining, you have to be an IDR going forward. And usually that might be SAVE, but there are some other income-driven plans that you might want to consider as well. So it's important to know that the IDR audit is not an all or nothing program like public service. You can get credit for all the time that you might have made a payment under the wrong payment plan, or something like that, some reason that your payment doesn't count, or economic deferments or forbearances that you'll now get credit for with the IDR audit. You don't have to reach the full 20 or 25 years. It just means that if you have reached 20 or 25 years, your loans would now be forgiven immediately, maybe even a refund given if you happen to make payments on direct loans during the COVID pause. But if you still have some months remaining, no problem. Just go on IDR, might be SAVE or something else, and you complete the rest of the time until you get the forgiveness. And by the way, if you can complete the forgiveness before December 31 of 2025, the forgiveness is tax-free, federally at least. There is one of the stimulus bills that allowed for any forgiveness for private or federal loans, as long as it's done before December 31 of 2025, to be tax-free. That doesn't apply for the state taxes, for those few states that might have state taxes, but it does apply for federal. And here in Florida, we don't have state taxes like that. So I hope this has been very helpful for you on the IDR audit, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. You can reach us if you need for a review of your student loans, what you might want to consider doing, and maybe we can help you do that as well. Our best way to reach us is info@ChristieArkovich.com. Our phone number is 813-258-2808. And please hit subscribe if you don't mind. That helps us see what videos are that someone's seeking the most to try to get these out to provide the most help for everyone. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.